Data integration, connecting systems for process mining. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last session, we learned about foundation of process mining, the event log, but today we are going to look at something just as important, how those event logs actually reach the process mining tool. This is where most organizations struggle the most. So instead of giving you definitions, let me tell you a story. A story about a company called Blue River Logistics, a company drowning in data and starving for insights. The data mirage. Blue River had everything: SAP for inventory, Salesforce for customer orders, Oracle ERP for finance, ServiceNow for incident tracking, a homegrown transport management system, 5 systems, 5 databases, 5 different truths. When delays started happening in shipments, everyone had a different story. Operations blamed the warehouse blamed transport blamed customer approvals, and finance blamed pending invoices. The CEO said, "Get me the full story. Why are shipments delayed?" But no single systems had the whole story. SAP knew one part, Salesforce knew another, transport knew something else. The truth was scattered across systems like broken pieces of glass. That's when the process mining team arrived, and their first question was simple: where is the data coming from? The roadmap to integration. To discover the end-to-end process, the team had to collect digital footprints from every system. But data did not magically come ready to use. It had to be connected, cleaned, and aligned. This is where data integration began. The team explained, there were 3 ways we can bring data into process mining tool. Connect directly using extractors like Celonis has, SAP's extractors, Salesforce extractors, ServiceNow extractors, database connectors. These make the process smoother, faster, and automated. Upload flat files, Excel sheets, CSV files, JSON exports, quick for demos, POCs, or early experiments. Build APIs or custom pipelines. For complex real-time or hybrid systems, Blue River had all types of systems, so the team decided to use a combination of extractors, flat file loads, and custom scripts. The big challenge: different languages. When the data finally arrived, a new problem appeared. Every system spoke its own language. SAP logged order created, Salesforce logged opportunity won, the warehouse system logged pick ticket generated, the transport system logged shipment requested, finance logged invoice generated. 5 names for what was basically the same customer order. This is why data integration is not just about connecting systems, it's about making them speak the same language. The team spent time mapping fields, standardizing activity names, aligning timestamps, creating a universal case ID, joining tables, validating missing values, harmonizing time zones and formats. Only then could the real process emerge. When everything finally connected, after days of integration, the process mining tool showed one unified process. Order created, to inventory check, to picking, to packing, to shipping, delivery, and finally billing. From 5 systems, they created one truth, and suddenly it all made sense. The delays were happening because shipment approvals in Salesforce were not synced with the warehouse picking in SAP. Orders were waiting for finance to clear credit checks. Transport was receiving half updated data, and 32% of orders were stuck because timestamps were misaligned across systems. None of this would be visible from a single system. Only data integration revealed it. So, the moral of the story is, data integration is not just loading data, it is connecting broken truths, harmonizing scattered systems, merging different languages, rebuilding the full process journey, preparing clean, aligned, complete event logs, creating one version of reality. Without proper data integration, your process map is incomplete, your insights are misleading, and your KPIs are confused. Your decisions were wrong. process mining only works when your data does. So the next time someone asks what is the data integration in process mining or why do we need connectors, extractors or APIs, tell them the story of Blue River Logistics. Because at the end of the day, process mining is not about tools. It's about connecting the dots, and every dot begins and ends with data integration.